Part of that clouds are some kind of a dark grayish, and in here some kind of a blue. And as you can see, Britney Cheryl is still on fixing by the second mechanic that I've contacted. You know what? Few hours ago, he keeps on identifying what was the defect of my Britney Cheryl wagon, and I'm so glad that I hired him for my wagon. And he just left to get a, what's this, a kind of equipment or a kind of device wherein he will detect again. I forgot the thing. Sorry, I'll be back for that term. Anyway, he scanner, now I know. You know what, compared to the first mechanic that I've contacted, he didn't make an effort to search for the things or the parts of this vehicle, what could be the cause why it's not functioning, it's not working, it's not making, what's this, what's the andar in English, to get on. So he checked this fuse and then he read something, what's indicate inside in here. There's some kind of a letters and graphics, and then he also checked this one and some parts in here, and then also inside. So he's really a skilled one, and he really knows what he's doing. And then there's a time that he made it direct in here to start the engine, and then I'm so glad that I heard again the breathing of Britney Cheryl. So that's why. So as you can see, it still tormented the car cover, the wagon cover of Britney Cheryl, and maybe afterwards or days coming, she will be replaced of a brand new one. Okay, so I'm very glad, guys and girls, that sooner or later Britney Cheryl will get fixed again, and we will hit the road going to LA, Los Angeles, California, no, Legacy City. So as you can see, just taking their Britney Cheryl, okay? Don't worry, you will get fixed the soonest as we can. No need to worry. So after more than 2 years, guys and girls, of being stuck up here, resting, being coma, not actually coma. So one of these days, Britney will be rise again. Bye for now. Shout out to each every one of you, okay? Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings.